Now we're going to show how to use Excel to analyze the Solow growth model. So in order to do that, I want to set up the columns for the data. Output, capital, investment, and depreciation. Over here, I'm going to set up the variables. Okay, we have the investment rate, depreciation rate, the level of technology, and the level of human capital. I'm also going to specify the production function. I'm going to put those values in column I. For the investment rate, I'm going to have it at 35%, the depreciation rate at 2.5%. I'll set technology at 1, human capital at 2, and I'll just type in here so that I remember the production function, which is A times E times L times capital to the 1/2 power of the square root of capital. Same production function we've been working with in the book. Now I want to put down the entire column of capital, since that's our main variable, from 1 to, say, 1,000. I do that by typing in the numbers, putting the cursor at the bottom, and just pulling it down. Copying. This is copying cells, and I'm copying the formula in a sequence all the way down to like 1,000. I got to 1,050. Okay. Then I type in the formula for real GDP. I need to press an equal sign. Okay. Then I need to put in $I, $3 times $I, $4. That's fixing the cells, technology and human capital 1 to 2 to enter into the formula. Then times square root of whatever is in column B. This time no $, because I'm going to allow the capital to vary. Okay, so you can see that when technology is 1, human capital is 2, and capital is 1, I get an output of 2. And by copying these down, I get the different level of output. So capital 4, technology 1, human capital 2, gives me an output of 4. Capital 9, technology 1, human capital 2, gives me an output of 6. Now I want to copy those down all the way as well. Highlight these, put the cursor there, pull it all the way down to the end of my file. Now for investment, I know that's the investment rate, $I, $1, times whatever capital is. I'm sorry, times whatever output is. Because investment is a percentage of output. For depreciation, it's the depreciation rate, $I, $2, times whatever the capital stock is. Highlight those, pull it all the way down. Overshot. Now I can do graph of this, and let's take a look at it. So I click on Charts, Line, hold in there. I'm going to get rid of capital. I'll pull out so you can see it better. Oops. And you can see that for those values, the steady state is approximately at 800 approximately. To pinpoint it, you're going to have to look on the spreadsheet, which is going to give you a steady state output. It looks like the depreciation point and value